How to hide a conversation on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide a conversation on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and go to any conversation you want, like this one, and then just click here and go down and you will find this one, hide conversation. Click on it and as you see the conversation has been hidden, and if you want to search for it, just click here and type here the title of the conversation, and as you see, that's how hide a conversation on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.